Hello YouTube, this is Mark Woods with another video, here to bring you guys the last video of the year for me, of course. So I know it's gonna be a lot of celebrating, you know what I'm saying. Happy New Year's to all of you. I hope everything went your way this year. I hope everything went good, you know. And for those where things went bad, I hope things go better for next year for you. Yeah, but here to talk about this Jeep again, man. Like, I'm still getting used to it, by the way. I'm still getting used to it. I'm not even way used to it. I'm gonna wait till next year to do the XBL test on it. I think I done gained just by turning the box that way. And another conversation I want to have with you guys is about lithium. And before we have this conversation, you guys that have questions about car audio and is not sure about what you're doing, join my Facebook group. It's called DIY Gang on Facebook. I'm telling you, like, I have experts on there that can teach you stuff, that can point you through stuff. You know what I'm saying? You guys will get it on that page. It'd be kind of hard to help you when you commenting up on a YouTube page because it's the comments from YouTube sometimes don't get right to you. So I say just go on Facebook, join the DIY gang, and hey man, let's chuck it up, man. And if you got a system that you want to display, you can display it on there. If you want to display it on my channel, just let me know. We can do that, so everything is doable this year. I do like displaying other people's sound systems, but at the same time, I like to be there videoing it though, so it might be something a little bit harder to do. So, and then another thing, as far as the lithium, I want to know from you guys, what do y'all like as lithium options? Are we going with the yin yang cells? Are we going with the the headways, the headway banks? Are we going with the limitless lithium? Are we doing the X power lithium? I want to know, what is a great option, in the conversation. It's up for debate right now because I want to know what you guys got to say. You know what I'm saying? I hear different opinions from everybody. Lithium, might can burn up, and lithium might can set fire on your car or something like that, or anything like that. Let me know, guys, what's the best option. Even CMAT. CMAT is probably a little bit more expensive, but I want to know what you guys' opinion on that. See, right now I'm gonna eliminate. Right now I ain't gonna do it now. Right now I'm thinking about eliminating my Group 31s if I can get my Jeep a little bit more or less weight. Because I do got the box back there. I am probably planning on building another box. I was gonna do it this week, but I changed my mind. Sorry guys. But and plus far as the lithium, what I'm saying, it's very lightweight. That I noticed. I never had no experience with lithium myself. So as far as the guys that got experience with lithium, let me know something in the comments, man. I need that feedback for real. Because I'm really in the market of getting some lithium. That's going to probably be the next move that I make. Instead of building the box, just go ahead and upgrade my electrical system instead. At the same time, take weight out of your car. So, again, guys, I need your feedback on that. We still going to play some music, though, but let's do a little quick rundown of my system real quick. A little quick rundown. Just for you guys that's new. So, right from the jump, in the doors, I have PRV 6x9s. Right from the jump. In the back doors. I have Tempano 6.5s. Let's go ahead and let this down. Yeah, I cleaned up a lot back here. Cleaned up a lot back here. you know. So as we got the hose set up right there, as you can see, I got, you know, four runs of ground and 4 runs of power going to each input. Yep, and guys, there y'all go. I fixed the, you know, the speaker wire. A lot of people was getting on my case for that. You know, under here, let's see if I can get under here. Let's see, can I get under there? I think I got it. But yeah, under there, you have three Group 31 batteries. You know, one is a North Star. That's probably the one we looking at. One is a Intimidator and one is a Duracell. I think the Duracell's in the middle. Let's see if we can get a good look up in there. The Duracell. Now it's a good battery bank. I love it. I mean, I don't even think I could have outdid myself on that probably. You know, the 4-channel amp. Let's see if we can focus. The 4-channel amp. I also have a ground distributor block on both sides of the board. There's another one in the back. Here go a distributor block for all the power wires. It's probably about 8 connections on the bottom. You know. So let's check it out. That's about it. On the other side is you got the inverter. I'm gonna go on the other side real quick. And that poof sound don't happen no more when I do that. I don't know why I stopped doing it. But hey, whatever it's been done, you know, I don't care as long as it stopped. So then we go back here. On this side is the Intimidator, so the middle is the Duracell, and you got the LC i7. Of course, the CT sound amp. That's 3,700 watts RMS, guys. RMS. You know, running all 0 gauge OFC. Let's go to the back. I mean, it's not much. I probably would like a little bit more room back there, but I did good for what the room I had. Like, it wasn't easy to mess around with, you know what I'm saying, not that much room. All right, and we go back to the star of the show, the DSL EXLs, XXB12s. That's what they call. And you want to go back here. If we can see it, is it brushed up against it? Just a little bit, but that's the other distributor block. Man, a lot of stuff going on back there, guys. And I still gotta hook up my 4 tweeters. So, all right, let's get some music started, man. Let's get some music started. I did find something that was new that I wanted to check out. I thank you guys if y'all got to this point in the video, but I was just breaking down the whole system, which I never really done. Not yet. So here we go. We're gonna go with now when I have a copyright, when I have a when I have a subscriber's request, I will play the music that you guys requested. You know, but what we about to play? Neek Runaway. Let's go for it.
A thousand different ways that I could choose. Already made first place, I can went through hell and I came back. Laid it down without a pose. No celebration, it's a welcome to my love. Walk out that door. We ain't making 24.
That sounded awesome. That sounded awesome. I like how that sound, man. Really did. No, cause it's a lot of good music to play, man. I'm gonna keep it real with you. There's a lot of good music to play. Still, let me know y'all feedback on that lithium batteries, you know, because I'm really in the market of getting one. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you do, smash that like button. If you're new and love car audio and wants to learn about car audio, please consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.